What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use your HTS820 for a karaoke setup. Another cool way to use your home theater setup is for karaoke, since there's two 1/4-inch microphone inputs on the back of the sub. So to show you how that works, I have my microphone right here, and then I have my female XLR to 1/4-inch cable, and it's important that you get this specific cable in order to connect it to your subwoofer. So I'm going to take the female XLR end and plug that into my microphone. And then I can plug the other end into either mic 1 or mic 2 on the back of my subwoofer. But for today, I'm going to set it up to mic 1. Now from here, we're going to want to raise the volume for the microphone, which we can do with the wireless remote that comes included. Just keep in mind, in order to use the remote, that you need a pair of AAA batteries to plug into the back. On the bottom, you'll see a mic plus and a mic minus button, and this is what we're going to use to adjust the volume for our microphone. So whenever I want to raise it, I'm going to press the mic plus button and raise it to the desired volume. And now if I turn on my microphone, check 1, 2, you'll hear my voice coming through the home theater setup. What's also really cool is that we can put some echo on our voice with these echo buttons on the bottom. So if I wanted to give my voice an extra flair, I'm gonna press echo plus, check 1, 2, check, check, and then you can start to hear the echo coming through. Hello, hello. Very cool. And this is going to work also for the second microphone if we have that plugged in. So if you want to set up that second microphone, you're just going to follow the same exact steps, except you're going to plug it into mic 2 on the back of the sub. So after we have our microphone all set up, you want to just double check and make sure that your TV is properly connected to the subwoofer. Again, you can use the HDMI or optical input on the back of this sub, as long as the HDMI or optical output on the back of your TV is meant for audio. Also, double check the sound settings of your TV and make sure that it's set to the right output. So if you're using the HDMI ARC, make sure it's set to that. Or if you're using the audio out optical, make sure it's set to that. And lastly, make sure that you have the appropriate input source set up on the subwoofer. Again, you can use the master volume and click it until you get to the sound source that you want to use. So if you're using the HDMI, make sure to click it until the front display reads ARC, or if you're using the optical, make sure to click it until it reads optical. After that, you can use the volume knob to adjust the volume of the music coming through. You can also use the wireless remote. Then you can grab your mic, make sure that the volume is set the way you want it, again with the wireless remote. And then don't forget, you can also use the echo buttons here to give your voice an echo effect for some extra flair while you're singing some karaoke. And the best part is, if we're using our smart TV like this one here with our setup, then you can go into the YouTube app and search for any karaoke version of a song. So this way we have the lyrics displayed just like this on our screen while we have some killer audio coming through the system. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold. Woo! So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up karaoke with your HTS820. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.